Hi, this is my special recording for my IG and my Facebook, potentially just my IG. This is about Cloudfront. We looked at Cloudfront today. Essentially, what we use Cloudfront for is for content delivery. For example, you have your S3 bucket. If you had information in your S3 bucket, remember, it's not just S3 buckets, but it's anything else, like EC2 instances that are serving content. Any resource that's serving any kind of content, you can hide them behind what we call Cloudfront. So if you have a bucket sitting here, what you want to do is, if you have customers coming from Australia, South America, and the US, you do not want them to be traveling all the way to pick up your information from your bucket and then back. The latency is just too much, right? It's going to slow down your website. It's going to put a lot of pressure on your system. Why not just pick up this bucket and put here, so each customers around here can access it, and the customers around here can access, and same for Australia, right? And even our guys here somewhere in India or Australia, whatever that is. So that's what Cloudfront will do for you. So this is an example. I have my S3 bucket here somewhere in Frankfurt, and then the first customer that accesses it goes all the way to Frankfurt to pick it up, and then now it's put in one of these edge locations. If the customer picks it up here, you put in this edge location. Every other customer now just picks up from there, right? Same thing with Australia. Picks it up from here, puts in this edge location, and then everyone can pick it. And remember, the first customer does not have to do it. If you set up edge locations, automatically when you create a Cloudfront distribution for your S3, it automatically picks up and puts in those edge locations. And now you have happy customers. Latency is very, very fast. You can access your video in real-time speed, right? And I'll show you an example of that. And these are some use cases for Cloudfront, and this is a typical scenario. So I have a demo that I already created, obviously. So I have an S3 bucket. This is a video that I took yesterday. It's about a 10-minute video. It's pretty long. And the way I was able to upload that is to use my S3 copy, right? And I can do that again. Since I already changed the name, if I use S3 copy, you're automatically going to copy this bucket to my S3 bucket. This is a video. It takes a while to copy, but I already made a copy and I changed the name, so I can recopy it. Right, so this is going to copy the entire video. Remember, the video is in my downloads folder. It's called S3, and it's going to copy that. Oh, we already did. Oh, wow, that was fast. So let's go in here and refresh, and we'll see that my video this is the video, and I already have a copy. And the next thing I did was to create a Cloudfront distribution for it. So if you look at my Cloudfront distribution, you see that the origin is coming from my S3 bucket. Guys, I'm teaching you guys the real stuff. This is my S3 bucket, and I'm picking up or creating Cloudfront distribution. That way customers can be able to access my video. And another thing I did was to make this, if you look at the permissions, you see that this bucket is not publicly accessible. I blocked all public access, and I also have a policy here that routes it to what we call an OIA, or an origin access identity. This is a single source of truth, so every customer that comes in has to go through our OIA. Right, so if something goes wrong, all I can do is kill this OIA, and then it kills all the access to my bucket, because this is a private bucket. So that's just wanted to show you that. And then we created that, and then now we have our S3 bucket. Another thing I want to show you is the validations. Whenever you create a bucket or a video and you access that video, now it's in edge locations. If you update that video, what you want to do is create an invalidation. The reason why is because customers now already have that cached in the cache edge locations. When you invalidate, you're saying that, oh, I already uploaded the video. So what will happen is AWS will automatically refresh and get a new file. Otherwise, it takes 24 hours. Keep that in mind. I just wanted to let you know that. So now let's use Cloudfront and access our video. So now we go to our Cloudfront viewer, and I'm just going to put / the name of that file, and we already have it here. And Cloudfront should be able to take us directly to our video. There we go, guys. That's our Cloudfront distribution at work. That was the video I took yesterday. I have this on my Instagram. So now we're serving this video directly from Cloudfront. If I send you this URL, anybody should be able to access this bucket. No problem. So just keep that in mind. Yep, Mo Salah. So this is a video streaming directly from Cloudfront, guys, isn't it? This is what I was trying to show you. Now customers can access this video all over the world without any problem. I can send this to anybody I wanted to. If I have students, I'll send them to. So all these classes that you see, let me pause this. All those classes, all these videos that you access from around the world on Udemy, on all these websites, they're using what we call CDN, because they cannot do that without the CDN. It will be slow and latency will be killing them. So keep that in mind. Everybody uses CDN. That's why you need a CDN. So that was our little demo. One thing I want to show you that I'm a little excited about is, I found out that my domain name was open. As you know, the domain name for my Instagram is Cloud DevOps. So let's open Route 53. And I found out that my Route 53 domain was available. So what did I do? You guessed it. I bought it right away. Guess what? I'm now the official owner of CloudDevOpsGuru.com. Ain't that cool? Yeah, God is great, man. I love it. This is a great name. I've loved it. I've been using it for a while now, but now I can say I officially own it. Thank you for that, guys. That's a little tutorial on what Cloudfront is all about. As you know, hit me up if you want to access the videos. I have every video you need about DevOps. And guys, as you can tell, I know this but like the back of my hand. I've been doing DevOps for so long, and not just that, I have a ferocious work ethic, which means that I'm always improving. So thank you, guys, and have a great day.